So hey guys, if you want to choose the best X units in All-Star Tower Defense, here's your guide. So first, know your goal. Decide if you're focusing on story mode, infinite mode, or raids. Some units shine in infinite for damage, while other are must-have in raids for utility. So second, check meta tier list. Every update changes with units or meta. Looks for the top DPS units, support units like buff or slow, and farm units for money. So prioritize utility units. Units that buff damage, slow enemies, or provide cash are always valuable even if damage unit change often. So balance your team. Don't just stock high damage unit. A strong team usually includes 1 to 2 farm units, money generators, 2 to 3 DPS units, damage dealer, 1 to 2 support units, buffs, slow, and stun. So Number 5, test and upgrade wisely. Invest resources into units that are constantly useful across mode. Try them in lower stages before committing to heavy upgrades. And lastly, pro tip, even if you don't have the top meta unit, the right team composition can carry you far. And that's it.